I mean, you can do what you got to do, but I plead guilty. I would like to plead guilty today.
Well,
Yes.
that can't happen. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir. I'm not taking your plea.
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make it. I'm not understanding this.
If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so.
This complete idiot came into court acting like he was the one running the legal system. And it is so crazy to watch. He's literally arguing with Judge Simpson because he wants to plead guilty right now. Even though this court isn't even allowed to take that kind of plea, whole thing feels like watching somebody try to check out groceries at the DMV. I mean, it's just totally the wrong place and the wrong process. This attorney looks exhausted because you can already tell she explained this way before they walked in. But this guy is just locked into whatever storyline he created in his head. It's just so wild to see somebody fighting this hard just to misunderstand the system. Let me know in the comments if you think this guy's just acting crazy or if he's actually a nut job. Let's dive in.
Thank you for the court's patience. I just had to relay some information.
That's what I'm known for. If
Patient.
anybody laughs, you're going. No, go ahead.
You are a very patient man, Judge.
Go ahead. Second.
So, Your Honor, today is the date and time set for probable cause conference in this matter.
Yes.
I do understand my client has been deemed competent to stand trial. I've had conversations with him. It tells me that he is prepared to enter a plea today. I've explained to him that that's not something that the court would be able to do at this stage. I've also explained to him that typically we would send this matter up to circuit court so that the sentencing judge will be able to properly enter his plea for him. He says that that's not something that he wishes to do. So I'm kind of at a crossroads at this point, Judge. I don't know.
So
This guy is giving his attorney the biggest headache because everything he's arguing has already been explained to him multiple times. I mean, you can almost feel the judge trying not to lose patience as he spells out something very, very easy the defendant has to understand. District court simply can't take a felony plea. And what blows my mind is he thinks pushing harder is going to magically change the court's jurisdiction. It's like yelling at a vending machine because it won't sell you. You a cheeseburger. I mean, the judge here, Judge Simpson is literally trying to help this guy. I mean, he just doesn't understand that the judge is trying to get him to plead guilty, but he just has to shut up long enough and wait. I mean, it is really just so painful because all he has to do is waive the exam, let it go to circuit court, and he'd be halfway to sentencing by now. Instead, he's just making things so much harder for himself. Do you guys think he's confused here?
sir, if you're going to enter a plea to these cases, it would have to go to another judge to take that plea, which is the waiver that counsel's talking about. I could not accomplish that today for you.
You can't just
Usually,
plead guilty.
Mr. Gatlin, what we do is once I've made the finding that I made today, we adjourn it out to the next available day, give you a chance to talk with your attorneys about what you want to do and the process by which that will happen. Okay? You understand that, sir?
I mean, I just don't understand why I can't plead guilty, man. And get to
Because if you pled guilty, you'd be pleading to felony charges.
You can see exactly why Judge Simpson finally hits the wall with this. The defendant keeps acting like the judge is blocking him on purpose when in reality here, this court isn't even allowed to take what he's asking for. It really is one of those moments where you realize how many people walk into a courtroom without understanding even the basics of how the justice system works. And honestly, I kind of think that's on the school system. But last time I trashed the school system, you guys were just hating on me. So I might just steer away from that. But a lot of my loyal people watching will understand what I mean. And like on another note, his attorney, like, I just feel so bad for her. She looks like she wants to crawl under a table. And I mean, it makes sense because this should be a simple procedural step. and instead it's turning into a full-on battle here. And honestly, I mean, this is why cases drag on so long. People like this fight the process instead of letting the court move them forward the right way. I mean, this dude is just so laser-focused on "I want to plead guilty today," but forgets that he's blind to the fact that the judge is trying to prevent a legal disaster for him. Let me know what you guys think. So far,
Those pleas are taken before a circuit court judge, which is why it would have to be waived and you would have to go up to circuit court.
I mean, you can do what you got to do, but I plead guilty.
Well, let me do this. You've not discussed a waiver with him in detail, have you?
I mean, I have, Your Honor. I've explained to him what the waiver does and how it would send him over to circuit court with a pretrial. I've explained to him his right to the preliminary exam. I suggested that we set it for exam, but.
All right. Sir, you seem like you want to get it moving, and I don't have a problem with that. Do you want to waive so you can go up before the circuit court judge and do what you're going to do, or do you want a preliminary examination to have a hearing on the charges?
I would like to plead guilty today, Your Honor.
Well, that can't happen. If you wish to plead guilty, I can get you, you would waive so that I can get you to a place where you can do that as soon as available. Is that what you want me to do?
No, I would like for you to accept my guilty plea.
Pardon?
No, I would like for you to accept.
I'm not, okay, sir, I'm not taking your plea. So your options are, I could set this for preliminary examination, or you can waive the preliminary examination and I will send it to circuit court where they will be more than happy to take your plea. If you don't choose either one of those, I'm adjourning the proceeding, finding good cause to do so. So, sir, what is your choice?
I don't know if I can make one.
Pardon?
I don't know if I can make it. I'm not understanding this.
All right. If there's something you're not understanding, I've got to give you time to talk to your attorney about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the fastest date I can possibly give you to come back. Once you've had that, figure out exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to find good cause to adjourn the probable cause conference in this matter. I will adjourn it to, my next date is the 9th, to October 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond will continue. Thank you.
I'll come and see you.
I need a second after that one because the level of confusion in that courtroom was seriously next level. It really just shows how much of the justice system is just understanding the structure, not even the crime itself. You guys would be surprised how many cases get delayed because the defendant insists on doing things that legally can't even happen in the courtroom. I think Judge Simpson honestly saved this guy by stopping